Hello everyone, friends, my name is Igor. I've been trading binary options for over 11 years. Today I'll show you my trading session at the Quotex broker. We'll trade using a strategy of finding support and resistance levels, and we'll open trades on reversals from them. I'm trading with an amount of $30 and an expiration time of 5 minutes. And also signals on time frames from M3 to M5 usually. Sometimes I look at higher time frames if something is unclear to me. Let's proceed to the chart analysis. Let's see where we can open trades, where we can earn money. Australian dollar, US dollar, I'll be opening a trade for a decrease. Resistance zone, it's also the local maximum we have here. Pay attention, the price cannot break through this zone for now. Waiting for a price reversal. Euro, Australian, I'll be opening a trade for an increase. Here we have a local minimum. A small false breakout is present, but I hope the price will be pushed up. Let's look further. Dollar Swiss franc, I'll be opening a trade for an increase. The price has dropped a bit to the support zone, and I expect it to go higher. Australian yen, trade for a decrease. Our price has reached the resistance zone. Moving up, I'm counting on a price reversal. Similarly, I'll initiate a new trading position, probably on the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen, because it appears as though the price is currently trying to break through our previous support zone. The zone is clearly visible here. If so, the price will go lower exactly from this zone towards the local minimum, that is here. But it could also be that we have a false breakout here and then the price will go higher. That is, it will continue to move in our sideways channel. We'll soon find out how accurate my forecast turned out to be. Dollar yen for an increase. Yes, probably. After all, I'll open a trade here. The zone is there, the trade is open. But the only thing is, dollar yen for a decrease. Canadian dollar yen, or rather dollar yen for an increase, Canadian dollar yen and Australian dollar yen for an increase. So one of these trades should close in the red, according to my logic. Well, I've already opened it, okay, no big deal. So what about the euro yen? I probably won't open for now, regardless of what's there or what's not. Let's see what's actually happening. Some trades are in the red, only 6 trades are open so far. Australian, US dollar, I'll be opening an additional trade for a decrease. Opened unsuccessfully, in general, as unsuccessfully as possible. I could have opened a bit higher and the entry point would have been better. Euro. Australian dollar is in a small profit for now. Dollar Swiss franc is in the red. I'll duplicate it too. Australian yen is in profit. Canadian dollar yen is in profit. And the dollar yen is also moving down. Well, yes, there's the problem. Apparently this trade will end up closing in the red. But I won't duplicate the position here because the yen assets are currently moving downwards. Yes, it's just possible there will be a further drop now, apparently. Well, anyway, about this trade. Most likely I'm already forgetting it with a high probability. Okay, everything's fine here. Well, basically, 8 trades are open. Let's wait for them to close. Everything's good here too, by the way. The dollar yen is in the red, right? But I'd still open a position for an increase here. Anyway, I'm overthinking it, which is a mistake. The trade will close however it closes. It's no big deal even if it closes at a loss. This is a worst case scenario. In the final seconds it all started. 2 seconds until the first trade closes and it's a loss. The Euro Aussie also spiked up and then plummeted just as hard. I don't know how this trade will end up. The dollar Swiss franc is in the same boat. Well, let's wait. This one will be a loss too, right? 2 trades in the red, oh boy. Now it looks like the dollar... Oh wait, the dollar yen is still a loss. The dollar Swiss franc is a loss here. The third trade is closing now. Well, things aren't looking good. The Aussie yen trade will close in the green. Yeah, this isn't going to be a great session. But these things happen sometimes. Why not show you this side of it? You'll definitely run into situations like this. The Canadian dollar yen will be a win, the second profitable trade. As for the rest of the trades, I have no idea. Everything was looking great at one point, even too good, I'd say. The dollar yen is closing at a loss. Yeah, nothing can be done about it now. The dollar Swiss franc is also in the red for now, and the Aussie dollar is also currently at a loss. The price was moving perfectly in my direction, but then it reversed so sharply that my trades just closed at a loss. I opened 8 trades in total. If these 2 trades end in a loss, I'll take a significant hit. Because so far I think only 2 trades have been profitable. 3 seconds left until the Aussie dollar trade closes. that's a loss too, and the dollar Swiss franc will likely follow suit. That is how it goes. At one point, it really seemed like everything except for the dollar Japanese yen would be a win, but in the end, only 2 out of 8 trades were profitable. Well, we'll definitely make it back in the next trading session. There's nothing to worry about. That's all for now, my friends. If you want to learn exactly how I find entry points on a clean chart, using support and resistance levels, then definitely check out the video description. You'll find links to educational materials there. It's all free and publicly available. Go to the site, read up, and improve your trading skills. And of course, don't forget about risk management. That's what keeps me from losing too much in these situations and gives me the chance to recover my losses later. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give it a like and leave a comment. Happy trading, everyone. Bye, everyone.